Hello all. So today we are going to make chana dal or split chickpeas paratha. This is another very healthy recipe which is full of nutrients and your kids will love them and they will even ask for more. So if you like our video, give a thumbs up, share, like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, first mix 3 cups of wheat flour with salt and half cup of water. Mix well with your hands and start kneading the dough. Add the remaining water and continue to knead. The dough should become soft and peelable. Add a little oil to this and mix well. Now cover the dough and let it rest for around 30 minutes. Take around 2 to 3 cups of chana dal and soak it for around 3 to 4 hours. Once it is soaked, the dal will look something like this. Now drain off the water with the help of a strainer and pour it in an open pan. To this, add some water. Here the chana dal should be fully immersed in water. To this, we will add around 2 green chilies, around 4 to 5 garlic cloves and some ginger. Give it a nice stir and allow it to boil by covering the pan. After around 10 to 12 minutes, open the lid and check the consistency of the dal. The dal should be cooked well and yet remain separate. Check the dal with your finger. The dal should not become mushy or pasty. Drain the dal in a strainer and keep it aside till the water drains off. There should be no water in the dal. If there is any little moisture in your dal, you won't be able to make the parathas. Now let's blend the dal coarsely in a grinder and keep it aside. This should be the consistency of our chana dal. On the other side, heat a little oil in the pan and add half tablespoon of cumin seeds. Once the seeds start spluttering, add half medium sliced onion to it. In goes 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder. Here keep in mind that already we have added 2 green chilies, so add the chili powder as per that. After that, let's add half tablespoon of garam masala and then in goes the salt as per your taste. Give it a good mix and cover the pan. We need to cook the onions for around 3 to 4 minutes. Once you open the pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and mix it well and then turn off the flame after a minute. Add this onion mixture to our grinded chana dal. Mix it well so that everything blends in together. Now pinch a medium-sized ball from the dough. Roll the dough between your palms well. Press the dough with your fingers to make a bowl kind of a structure gently. Add 2 spoons of chana dal mixture in the center of the dough. Bring the edges together and join in the center. By applying pressure with your finger, press the edges down and make a neat stuffed dough. Make sure that there are no tears or cracks at this point. In a lightly dusted rolling board, roll the stuffed dough with a roller very gently. Do this very gently so that the parathas don't break. Dust in more flour if required and roll it into the size of a normal chapati or roti. Put the rolled paratha on a hot tawa. After a minute, turn over the paratha. At this point, grease the paratha with ghee or butter. Be liberal in using ghee or butter while frying as this makes your paratha more crisp. Make sure that all the edges are fried well. You can do this by pressing the paratha with spatula so that they are cooked well on every side. This way, fry both the sides of the paratha till you see some brown spots and it is fried well. Now serve the chana dal paratha with some spicy pickle or a ketchup or some yogurt.